Enabling stock management. In the Products menu, select the desired product. Activate the Manage Stock for this product button. Insert the number of items you have on hand. Define a minimum quantity to be alerted when the item is running low. Click Save. Updating your stock. Access the Products menu. Select the desired product. Go to the Stock tab. Enter the total amount of items you currently have, so the system will update the entry and exit history. Tap Save. Controlling your stock movements. Access the Products menu. Tap the Stock tab to see how much is available in each. At the bottom of the screen, you will have access to a summary of the projected cost and profit of all your inventory. See more details using the filter function at the top right of the screen.